Hello guys, welcome to Test Guild UI Automation with Playwright course. My name is Artem Bondar and I will be your instructor for this course. So this course is designed for the very beginner. So if you are not familiar with the Playwright or with UI automation, this course is a good way to start. This course is designed using the TypeScript language, so it will be Playwright with the TypeScript. And if you never worked with the TypeScript or JavaScript before or don't have experience with programming languages, I would recommend you to complete JavaScript Fundamentals module at Bondar Academy first. So you become familiar with the syntax of JavaScript and it will be easier for you later to follow this class. And this class is absolutely free. So either on Bondar Academy, create an account and complete this class, or you can go to Bondar Academy YouTube channel and there is a playlist, JavaScript Fundamentals. This course is designed for the very beginners, so we will learn how to install Playwright. I will show you the framework overview, how it's structured, how it's organized, and then we deeper dive into how to automate UI elements and UI components using Playwright. We're going to have a test application that we're going to use for these demonstrations, and we go through the different subject and different UI components, such as input field, radio buttons, checkboxes, date pickers, web tables, and so on. So by the end of this class, you will be familiar with what Playwright is about and how to interact with the web pages and different web components using the Playwright framework. So I hope you're gonna like this class and see you in the class.